I will discuss the reason and morality. The ability to think logically and make decisions based on fact and evidence, unlike emotions which can be influenced by how we feel in the moment. Reason uses clear thinking and logical analysis. This helps us understand the world better and make better decisions. For example, imagine you are deciding to help a friend with their homework. If you reason it out logically, you may think helping my friend will make them better. But it's also important that they learn on their own. The reason help you understand that helping others is important, but it also not to take away the the opportunity to learn. Immanuel Kant, he argued that morality doesn't depend on the result of an action or personal feeling, but on whether the action itself is rational. He introduced the idea of the categorical imperative, which means we should act in a way that we believe everyone should act in similar situation. For example, as a student thinking about cheating on a test using Kant's approach, the student would ask, what if everyone cheated on their test? The answer would be that cheating make learning meaningless for everyone. So Kant would say that cheating morality wrong because it cannot be a rule everyone can follow.
Now let's proceed to the next topic, impartiality and morality. Impartiality means treating all people equally and fairly, without bias or favoritism. When making decisions, impartiality means ensures that we don't let personal feelings influence our choices. Example: imagine a teacher who must decide whether to give extra time for a test to one student. Showing impartiality, the teacher will apply the same rule to all students, giving extra time only if it is needed by everyone, not just select by few. John Rawls, a philosopher, he created a thought experiment called the Veil of Ignorance. This helps people to think about fairness in society. In this experiment, people imagine that they don't know anything about other details, such as the gender, race, or how rich or poor they are. Rules argue that this would lead to the fairest decisions because people would choose rules that protect everyone's rights. Example: if people had to decide whether to allow discrimination in society, they would choose not to permit it because they wouldn't want to risk being unfairly treated. Instead, they would prefer fairness for all.
Reason-based answers to moral questions are grounded in facts, logic, and principles that apply to everyone. For example, if someone asks, "Should I steal?" a reason-based answer will be no, because steal is wrong and hurts others. It against the law principles of fairness. The example shows that stealing is wrong not just because someone dislikes it, but because through reason we understand it causes harm, create unfairness, and break laws that are meant to protect everyone equally. This supports the idea that moral decisions should be based on logic and fairness, not personal options. In contrast, feeling-based answers are influenced by emotions or personal experience. For instance, if someone asks, "Is it okay to break a promise if it's for a good reason?" a feeling-based answer might be yes, because sometimes breaking a promise can lead to a better outcome for more people. In contrast, feeling-based answers are influenced by emotions or personal experience, meaning the response is shaped by how someone feels or what they have gone through, rather than by facts or logical thinking. In moral philosophy, many believe that reason and impartiality are necessary for true morality. For example, if a person makes a decision based only on emotions, they might be act impulsively without thinking about the consequence. Without reason, people might make choices that are harmful or unfair. Therefore, our decisions to be truly moral, they shall be based on logical reasoning and fairness. So the study of morality, many thinkers believe that being logical and fair is essential to making truly moral decisions. The slides explain that reason and impartiality are important for true morality. If people rely on emotions, they might act impulsively and make harmful or unfair choices. To make truly moral decisions, we must use logical thinking and treat others fairly.